Today, we will be demonstrating how to remove and replace the battery on your Fusion MS-ARX70 Wireless Remote. For today's demonstration, we will be replacing the battery on the Fusion ARX70W Wireless Remote. The remote uses one CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. To begin, rotate the remote to remove it from the mount. Locate the battery compartment on the center of the back of the remote. Rotate the battery door counterclockwise until the line points to the unlock symbol. Pull out the battery door to reveal the battery. Carefully remove the battery from the compartment. Place the new battery in the compartment positive side down. Then place the battery compartment back on the remote so it is pointing to the unlock symbol. Then turn the compartment clockwise until the lines point to the lock symbol. Finally, place the remote back on the mount and rotate it until it clicks. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.